Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Snapchat account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat. So once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left. From here, you need to click on the gear icon and scroll down. So in support, you need to click on I need help, and here you need to click on delete my account. You need to search for that, scroll down, and you simply need to log in into Snapchat account portal. You need your login information to log in. So as you can see that I already logged in, so you simply need to scroll down and click on delete my account. Wait for a few seconds, and here you need to click on your enter your password, and once you enter your password you simply need to click on continue. Once you done that, your account will be deleted. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.